Good morning, everyone. It's already 8 o'clock and it's cold now. I'm going to make some dumpling soup and yeah, that's right. I need to pick the onions. Going to pick a few onions for my dumplings. I'll make some soup for breakfast. Should be enough. Okay. Let's have a few leaves also. Just to add some greens for the soup. Okay. Okay, it'll do. There it is. Some greens and some green onion. Here's for my dumplings, and there it is. We're gonna make some soup. So here it is. I'm just gonna add some seasonings. Get some steam also. Hey, breakfast. Got some Trader Joe's olive oil also with a ta-da! That's why I like it. And having some hash brown for breakfast also. And some leftover fish. There goes my dumplings. Dumpling soup. Sarap. Can't wait for more vegetables to come. Because we got these from Trader Joe's also. And we're gonna have some barbecue beef ribs today. And hubby is cooking, not me. I'm gonna add some egg in the soup for more protein. And here's the golden hash brown. And more to go. Okie doke, it's done.